Okay, friends, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, Sunday, the next day. So let's go ahead and do this. I've got everybody programmed into this comment picker. I went ahead and used hashtag XWoodPaste and hashtag WoodPaste because there's a slight little, hiccup. I said something in the premiere, and I'm going to qualify both uses of that hashtag, but I put in a filter that only one person gets one entry. So let's see how it works. Okay, so here it is. There was 14 entries. Toad's Turning said enjoying the video and did hashtag X Woodpaste. Okay, so that's how we see how it worked. I'll just show you up here. We did hashtag X Woodpaste, hashtag Woodpaste, filter duplicate users, and right here, we only limited maximum number of entries per user is one. So I try to do it as fair as I possibly can. And it gave us at Toad's Turnings. All right. So at Toad's Turnings, I'm going to reply to you and give you a comment or reply to your comment. And then all I need you to do is email me at my email for YouTube. It's listed publicly, but it's uh, apodacavidal at gmail.com. And what happens is you'll email me. I'll email you a keyword, some stupid keyword that I'm going to come up with, and then you have to update and edit your comment so that I know it's you because you're the only one that should have access to your Gmail account to edit your comment on YouTube. And then once that email account has been confirmed to me as you, I know it's a little bit tricky, but there could be scammers out there. And then I'll get that Axe Wood paste out to you right as soon as possible. Okay? Thanks, buddy. Thanks, friends. Thanks, everybody who checked out the video and commented. If you guys we're not winners, but do want Axe Wood paste, make sure to use my code DACA15 at axewoodpaste.com, and that'll get you 15% off your order. I mean, that's usually enough to cover tax and shipping. So, check out Tom's site. He's a great guy. He's got great products, and small American business. Give him a shot. There's a lot of alternatives out there, but you could help keep a small local business in going by buying from him instead of a big box retailer. So check out his page and order some wood paste and get to turning and making some beautiful projects. All right, friends, y'all have a good one. Okay, and so it looks like this might make things easy to get the prize out to our winner because when I click on Toad's Turnings, it says Warren Stutzman. And I don't think I've ever met this gentleman, but I do believe he is a member of my local turning club, the Detroit area Woodturners. I do believe I remember his name several times in comments on various postings within the group. So, yeah, we'll try and get this out here to Toad's Turning, Warren Stutzman. All right.